Alright, you guys, we're back. DIY Raymond here, and today we're going to do the oil change on my 98 Chevy C1500. And if y'all just saw the other video, I just did an oil change on the 2011 Toyota Camry. And this one here, it's pretty much overdue for oil change. Again, I got the Castrol Edge high mileage with the Fram ultra synthetic oil filter, and that's model XG5, and that's for the 98 Chevy. And probably whatever other vehicles take that. So now I'm gonna get on in here and show y'all what all we do exactly. Alright, so now we're up under the truck. The oil plug is right here on the side of the filter, so the oil plug faces towards the driver tire, and then right next to it, right here, is the oil filter. So it's all right there, just like kind of on the Camry. Except on the Camry, the filter was more towards the front of the engine stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what all we do to take this off and to take this off. Now for the filter, I got it's a 90, I can't tell anymore, it's old, but it's like a 93 or 95 millimeter, or I don't know, 98 anyways. Got the old wrench cap thing. So anyways, you just stick it on there like that, and take a 3/8 drive socket wrench or adapter and just twist that off. And then for this one here, I didn't look at it yet, but I think it's, if it's not 9/16, I'm thinking 5/8. Okay, 9/16. So same thing as the Camry. So give y'all a second and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back, and it apparently is not a 9/16. It's actually going to be a 13 millimeter socket. So I'm going to put it on. Alright, so that's falling pretty tight. So we're gonna pause it and do something else. Alright, we're back. And this time I got my impact driver. And I'm gonna take it off that way. There we go. Alright. I don't want to take it all the way off with it. Just want to get started. You see it all starting to come out. Oh, that wasn't good. Well, y'all saw the oil actually shot past my oil pan, which part of me was thinking it was going to do that. That's why I was going slow, but it'll be alright. Just have to just let it be there. Can't really do too much about that. But anyways, while we're letting that do that, we'll go ahead and turn this sideways and take off the oil filter. Be right back. Alright, so now we got the oil cap onto the oil filter. I got my breaker bar. I'll go ahead and twist it off. That's pretty loose. And as you can see, or I can see it, the oil is wanting to drip out. A lot of oil. And see if y'all can see how black that oil is. It's definitely need to be changed. Like I said, the truck's been overdue for oil change. There we go. Got all that off. And don't know how I'm gonna pause this, but I'll use my finger, knuckle. Alright, y'all, we're back. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the oil filter on. I went ahead and screwed that back on, just hand tightened it. I didn't use the wrench yet. So I'm gonna take this. And you can also always take a little bit of oil. Just kinda float around your filter some. Take that, screw it on in. There we go. And I'll get that off here in a second. So next we're gonna tighten this down a little bit more. There we go. So that's all there is to do on that part. Now we'll go ahead and fill up the oil. Alright, so now we're gonna do the oil, fill the back of oil. And also I got the oil treatment. Works pretty good. I don't have the recommended amount that it wants. I'm actually a little shy, but it's called FR3 friction reducer. It's got a 5% increase in fuel economy, 5% increase in horsepower. How true it is, I don't know, but it all sounds good. Powered by science. I'm not sure, I don't pay attention to all that, but anyways, I got this last year. A guy at a rally's told me about it. Of course, they always want to upsell some more stuff, you know. But anyways, it seems pretty promising. Reduce the oil operating temperature, reduce engine wear up to 43%, increase fuel economy up to 5%. Anyways, you just take this and you just pour it in there. And the recommended dose is 1.5 ounces of this to every 1 quart of oil that you put in. And it's got a little gauge right here, so you can go ahead and measure how you're doing it. Like I said, I'm shy, so just pour it on in. And another thing I like to do too is I like to do my gas treatments every so many fill-ups. You know, usually about twice a month or once every 2 months. So then after that, just put your oil in, but I'm not gonna let y'all watch me put oil in. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it for now. So we've successfully completed the oil change on the truck. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And show y'all, this is a great truck to have. So we got 287,768 miles on it. And when I bought the truck, it had 272,000, and the right at, I think it was about 200 and 78,000. My transmission went out, the 3/4 clutch went out on it, and then I kept driving it though a little bit and trying to do a little work with it, and then I blew my motor in it. So I got my motor replaced. It sounds great. Everything's running good. All right. So y'all enjoy, be blessed, and have a good one.